Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a dip mani on my right hand. This will be my second time doing this. I am going to be using VividDip'd, the thermal ones that I got. This one is called Wavering. I don't know if that's showing up, but that's what it is called. And it's like a green to like nude or taupe like shade. And I'm going to be using Subbag 129 hashtag stirring the pot, which is from October's like Halloween thing, but I don't want my mani to be Halloweeny, so it's just like a green and glitter. I don't want to open it. I don't want the stuff to start flying around yet. Green, blue, teal, black, glitter and foil mix. You'll see it when I open it. I'm only going to be putting it on one finger, either this one or this one. And I hope I remember, because I'm going to do the solid color first so I can activate it and then do this. And I'm going to be using DoubleDipp'd dip base, their activator, and maybe their top coat. I don't know if I'm going to use dip top coat or gel. Probably use gel for the glitter. And then I got this iGel Beauty one. It says glitter base on there, so I don't have to worry about contaminating that one. And I may put some foils on. We'll see how it is. I don't want it to be Halloweeny or too fallish. Like sometimes I try to take it too far and I ruin the whole fucking thing. So that's it. That's what I'm using. And let's go. I think I'm dry. I can do this now. I'm gonna put the glitter out of the side and let's do this. some cuticle oil. I went and I washed my hands. My daughter is in the middle of class, so I'm trying to be quiet. I can hear the professor. So, I don't know. Oh, this is it. I don't hate it, but I'm not in love with it. There seems to be some patchiness. I don't know what that is. You can see it, there's like darker spots. It could be because it's a thermal. I don't know. The glitter's pretty. It just looks so weird, like on my little itty tiny weird right hand. I don't have any. This is shadow. It's not on there, so yeah, we'll see how it. It was really freaking me out. That's why I went in with 3 coats, but it didn't really get super thick. These liquids, DoubleDipp'd, this brand, is really good. It doesn't bulk up. Yeah, so I don't know. You tell me what you think. I mean, it's green, so by default I'm gonna like it, but it's got this weird frostiness to it. Do you see it? And I think that's the clear. The Eye Gel Beauty Clear. Because this one doesn't have it, and that's Skyline. That doesn't have the frostiness. So, I don't know. But I don't hate it. I'm not in love with it. Wasn't worth putting nail art on it. And I'm still trying to grow out my nails. Like, it took me forever, since June, to reshape this nail and get this nail to grow the way I want it to. So I'm still working on these. I did gel overlay just to extend these 2 fingers to match this one that ripped off. This one just has gel on it, just like this one, but I extended these 2 to match this one, which is, my nails are really curved, so it makes things a little bit more difficult. I see so many like dip people with like gorgeous long nail beds, which I am not blessed with. People who have gone to the salons probably since they were teenagers or young adults, so they've had that pushing back of the cuticles, so that gives them, I mean, I'm 52. I stopped biting my nails about 4 years ago, so I know I shouldn't compare my nails to other people's, but it is what it is. I do it. See, like, this thumb has a way to go. It still needs to be trained and filed to get to grow out like this, and still work on these nails to train them to be that. But yeah, it is what it is. I don't hate it. It's green. I like green. The hell, I do have something. I thought that was a freaking shadow, because that's my finger that always has a shadow. It has like a little hole. Not a hole, but like a dimple. Anyways, I'll pick that up later. So tell me what you think down below. It's bugging me, so I'm picking at it now. Tell me what you think down below. What you would like to see next. I mean, I can't even think. My brain's on. 2020 has sucked. It's been Groundhog's Day since March. You know that movie, when you wake up every day's the same thing. So tell me what you want to see, and I'll try to do it. I mean, I need ideas now. I ain't buying shit. So I'm gonna have to work on doing other stuff, like actually doing my damn nails. Oh no. So, yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think. And give me some ideas, guys. And if anybody wants to collab, let me know. I'll be happy to do that. Or something else. Whatever, just let me know. Anyways, thanks for spending some time with me. And yeah, remember, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube shit. And have a good one, guys. Bye.